so it's that time of the month again. Ipsy is here. So let's jump into it. All right, so this is the Ipsy Boxycharm box for the month of October. Let's see what's inside. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so first we have the little card and it says, it's Glamoween season. October 2023, grab your makeup brushes and enter our ultimate Halloween beauty verse if you dare. This year, we've brewed up something special for you. Tons of makeup tutorials, expert tips, product picks, and hair-raising inspiration to help you conquer Halloween like a pro. And then opening up the card, it says, pretty wicked. Whether you're going full glam or giving minimal effort, here are 6 ways to slay spooky season. All right, so the first product in this month's Boxycharm box is the Earth Harbor Calypso Vitamin C Moisture Elixir. And this has sea berry as well as CoQ10 in it. And you guys know how I love Earth Harbor. Here's what it looks like. So I love Earth Harbor just because of what the company stands for. They're purely natural, ethical, and C-active. Plant-based, holistic, vegan, cruelty-free. They are source sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, and woman owned. And plus everything that they come out with is just like chef's kiss. So I know I'm gonna love this. This is supposed to really give your skin that moisture that it is missing, give it the nutrients it's missing, and it also has barrier enhancing actives. So it's really gonna be helpful for the skin's barrier. Next in this month's box, we have the Tula Skincare So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. And this is formulated without parabens, sulfates, gluten, dairy, silicone, and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's also cruelty-free and dermatologist tested. Here is what it looks like. And this is gonna give you smoother, brighter, and more even looking skin. This has probiotic extracts, fruit enzymes, sugar, and has like a pumpkin twist. So the sugar particles are going to help exfoliate and get rid of that excess sebum, buildup, and debris. The pumpkin extract is going to help with the smoothness of your skin. And then the fruit enzymes are going to help with the unclogging of pores to make a more even skin tone. And I believe that this is in collaboration with Shawn Johnson East, who is an Olympic gold medalist. On the back here it says, being an Olympic gold medalist, mom, wife, and entrepreneur is a daily balancing act. So when it comes to my skincare, I need products that work quickly and easily fit into my routine. This sugar scrub does just that. Plus, it gives me glowing skin and reminds me of my mama's famous pumpkin bread recipe. Get ready for a gold medal worthy glow. XO Shawn. Next in the box, we have the Dermal XL Lash Volumizer. And this is an eyelash and eyebrow booster formula. So you'll just rub this on your lashes as well as your brows, and it's supposed to make them healthier and grow quicker. This is specially formulated to target weak, thin, brittle lashes. It's got a strengthening trio of multi-active peptides and also has a conditioning treatment to help moisturize as well. Next in the box, we have the Ofra, and I'm probably gonna butcher this, so don't make fun of me. Bienvenidos a Miami Mini Mix Face Palette. And this is a beautiful face palette, you guys. We've got bronzers, we've got highlights, and we've got blushes, and I am in love. This palette went on like butter, you guys, and as you can see, it's just so beautiful. Last but not least, in the Ipsy Boxycharm box for the month of October, we have the Formula Z I Am So Pretty Shadow Stick Duo. And it looks a little something like this. So one end is a shadow stick, and the other end is more of a liquid shadow. And here's what they look like swatched. Sorry about that big purple spot. And I do have these on my lower lash line today. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. The Boxycharm box is only $28 a month. Everything inside has a value up to $200. You get 5 full-size beauty products, and members get to choose 3 products. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another Boxycharm box to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.